Yeah, dude, it's crazy.
Randy
It's
Bowman
wild.
trailer, the back half of it got torched.
Really? Oh no, that's pretty sick. Wow.
How's that for
That's
black?
Black.
No 3-day drive time, eh?
Right?
That's pretty nuts.
That's intense black right there.
That actually looks really good on maple.
You know, the funny part about it is we can see scratch from light reflection, but when you put finish on,
Sure.
it doesn't
Yeah.
show. And it's crazy. So back to your conversation, compatibility. This stain has no sealer, and it has no binder, and it has no oil resin.
Cool.
There is an oil component to it, but it is not enough to seal the wood. So where that gives you the benefit of this practice, I can put a water-based technology over it, I can put an oil-based technology over it, I can use a solvent-based technology over it, I can use a oil-penetrating technology over it, or a wax technology over it.
Hard wax oil.
What's wrong with some of the water-based finishes over it then? They just don't wanna.
They are not about adhesion, but they're about what we call wetting agents. So when I put some water-based technologies, their formula is designed in such a fashion that their compatibility works great. But when they put it over someone else's product, the wetting agents don't let it flow properly across. It'll bond, but it'll have big fish eyes all over the place.
So that happens with water base over this?
Not all of them, but some of them,
Oh, really?
unfortunately.
Like single component or two component?
It has nothing to do with whether it's single or two component. It really doesn't.
And certain companies use those agents and other ones don't?
Yeah,